is Charles Dula, Chairperson of the Commission on Administrative Justice, popularly known as an Ombudsman. We are here, we have had a very useful discussion with the governor and his team. We are here to help the county to develop grievance redress mechanism policies, as well as access to information act for the county. As you are aware, the Commission of Administrative Justice has twofold mandate. One is to check on maladministration in the public, both national and county government, and the other one is to enforce access to information. The purpose of our visit here is basically to help the county develop access to information, and this because they are implementing programs under FLOCA, which is community driven. These are projects which are resilient to mitigate the effects of climate change, and for that reason the community participation is critical, and therefore access to information is also very critical. So we are here to work with the team. Our technical team are working to be able to develop those, so that by the end of this financial year, hopefully the county will have Access to Information Act, which is specific to Nyamira County, because there are certain local circumstances that that act ought to take into consideration, so that the people of Nyamira can know what is happening, they can access the information about the projects that they are having and the country is implementing. Similarly, we are also helping them to develop GRM policy, which is basically grievance redress mechanism, where the citizens of this country can, if they have a complaint, they can be able to raise up, and the relevant officers has taken. We have had very useful discussions with the governor and the county secretary, and they have given us their support, and they have assured us our support, and in fact we are going to be here for 2 days. Our team is down at the technical team is already working with the governor's team, and so we hope that at the end of these 2 days we will be able to achieve our. Yes, we will be able to meet the assembly team, because it's a legislative function, so they would be involved in it. So we'll be able to also see them, and then be able to see if we have an engagement with them. If they have any issues, then we can address it. So going to do spot checks in the various hospitals, both public, private, in the county, because we want to find out how SHA is working for the population. If there are any challenges, we will make a report. We've been doing that we went to Kisii yesterday, we've been doing that in Homa Bay, we did it in Siaya as well. So SHA seems, from the report that we're doing, that it's working, but the sensitization, the people have not been given the right information on which hospitals to go and where. But where we find there's a genuine problem, we will also address the government to address the shortcoming of SHA. So we will be conducting a spot check to both faith-based hospitals, private hospitals, and government facilities to see how the SHA rollout is being run, and we'll be able to make a report once we go that. They have another team in Nakuru, in Murang'a, they're also doing the same, and when we get back to Nairobi, we will compile a report to enable the government to improve the services.
We received Mr. Ombudsman and his team, and he has clearly said what they came to do here today and tomorrow. We invited them to hold hands, because they are going to enlighten us on particularly access on information. Number two, how to receive complaints from the people. You know, in a society there are people who always complain about being sidelined for one reason or another. Or they have gone to courts and lost cases, they don't have money to appeal. They can go to Ombudsman to be able to launch the complaint there without paying anything. So as of being Ombudsman, national government and county governments erinde abantu bali babwate amararamishi okiasa serikali okiasa abantu bane banyareko enda asari barua malalamisho hapo anyari kuregererwa ekiagara court na bera abena na bero sobesha isa manayi lakini abo muntu ona anyata bwati besa lo nabo Ombudsman okonya seseme eyende abo mwana njara ga information anyari ta ikoye nyora and the right as a consumer so to access information lo naro abako etra to Ombudsman anyara okonya obato msiabu Kisumu obato nke Kisumu I think nateba mpaka ile kile county obvious yabantu bakurara malalamisho asibagose ita na serikali bose n'abananchi bamwe abandi